Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Elite Espresso machine, and not a Elite, a Valentina. And I'm just gonna purge the group head quick in case the heat exchanger needs purging. And it looks good. And then take a shot. There we go, looking good. And yeah, you just let me purge the heat exchanger, because if the machine sits for too long, the water gets too hot in the heat exchanger, and you want to pour 4 to 6 ounces out of the group head to get the temperature at the ideal level. So this shot was a little fast. We might want to put a little bit more coffee in the portafilter, but it's running great. So let's test the steam. Nice strong steam, hot water. Let's see. Is it this one? Oh. So, thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.